Hey you, yes you, see all these wonderful people right here? They are my Patreons. With the support I get from them, I can afford to do my passion as a career and bring you guys weekly videos. Want to join them? For just $1 a month, you can get videos 24 hours before anyone else. And for even higher tiers, you can get Polaroids, letters, and mystery boxes from me to you. And even fursuit parts, not to mention my eternal thanks. So what are you waiting for? Become a Patreon today via the link in the description. Thanks again, enjoy the video.
Alright, hey everybody and welcome back to In the Workshop. First of all, yes, I know my paws are wet. They've just come through the wash and I haven't had time to dry them fully because of this upcoming Christmas special. So please keep an eye out for that. I worked very hard on it and I really hope you enjoy it just as much as I did filming it. This week in my fursuit making workshop, I've completed, well, this fortnight really, I've completed 2 suits. I've completed T, a trade with my sticker artist. This is T. Isn't he cute? And I also completed Troublemaker as a commission, and he will be my last suit of 2020. With T took me a very long time to complete. We've been doing this trade for several years now, and none of us have just gotten around to it yet. But T is a mutt. He has epic wiggle ears, and he's got interchangeable stretchers, so he has 6 pairs of those. They're all 3D printed. He has a 3D printed ring, and he has 3 different hairstyles and 2 different eyelids. I did pull out all the stops for this bean, and I'm so excited to have him sent off to the US of A, where he will now reside. Troublemaker is also another canine. This time he's got a floppy ear, and you notice the base looks a bit different. This one's made on my casted base, the same one that I used for Felix and Biscuit. So you'll be able to see that. T is a custom carve, so it means that I carved that by hand. He also has magnetic removable hair and a band-aid that sits across his schnoz. And, you know, makes him look particularly cute. Dude, these past couple weeks, I also got some really awesome fur in that I really want to show you guys. This is from Howl Fabric, and just look at the colors on this. It's for a friend's suit that I'm making, and I cannot wait to use them because they absolutely look stunning together. And the packing job that it came in was pretty awesome too. So that was a good thing. T's wiggle ears are something really particularly interesting to note because I've never done wiggle ears before, and they wiggle, they waggle, they are so good. I'm really happy with them. The way I did it is essentially by taking the ear and chopping it off, essentially, so you just got left with this tiny little bit here. So it means that when it has a bit more room to wiggle around rather than Sky's, which are very stationary. If that makes any sense whatsoever. They were certainly a challenge to fur as well, because usually you turn it inside out through the hole in the bottom. And yeah, honestly, I've just been knuckling down, working hard. I put a lot of effort into the Christmas special this year. There's probably at least 10 hours of footage I have to go and sort through. That was an exhausting adventure, but I really hope you guys like it, and I'm really keen to release it on Christmas Day to you guys. But also, I just went outside to ship these suits off, and I checked my PO box again, and we have more Christmas mail, so I'm going to open that right now. So I don't have to make a separate video. It's going to be in the workshop episode. So I have opened these because I needed to make sure that they weren't poisonous, obviously. Okay, so this one is from New Zealand, and the first thing we got is a little burb. I love him. I love these little ornaments. They were some of my favorites, and this one's so pretty. And we have some Polaroids and a letter. Dear Sky, my name is Lee. I am a 13-year-old New Zealander, and I've been enjoying your videos for a long time. I picked out this decoration because it reminded me of Sky. I have 2 little birds that sometimes perch on my shoulder while watching your videos, and they eat my computer. Birds tend to do that. I decided that I'm going to make my own suit using your tutorials. I hope to hear from you soon. Sincerely, Lee. Please excuse my spelling. Have a Merry Christmas. Keep being awesome. I've done a little drawing of their character down there. It's so cute. Thank you, Lee. I absolutely love it. We're making sure I'm putting it there and the cat doesn't eat it. And you sent me photos of your birds. Yes. We've got a blue cockatiel, a blue budgie named Ollie, and I'm assuming this is a cockatiel. I can't quite tell. It's very small, but then the other bird's name is Jade. Can you spot the bird? The tiny little white dot down there? Teals are my favorite birds. So, yes, always send me photos of your birds. I will never not be happy to receive photos of your birds. This is from Sweden. Okay, and I know my legs are out. It's hot. It's like 30 degrees. Leave me alone. Paw print on the back. Hooray. Hi, my name is Emily, and I'm soon 12 years old. I live in Sweden, which is a country in the north part of Europe. Yes, it is. I have a mum, dad, and 2 older twin siblings. I started in the furry fandom in June 2020. I found out about the furry fandom on YouTube. It was actually one of your videos, Fursuiting in Children's Story Time. That video made me want to learn more about the fandom. I've already heard about cosplaying but not fursuiting. I searched and found more information about it. I started to look at more furries on YouTube, especially yours. I really enjoy your videos and tutorials help me out a lot. I've already made one fursuit based on a dino mask and its name is Sky. Aww. I made a tiny picture that you can hang on your Christmas tree. I made it in a paint program on a computer. I hope you like it. Merry Christmas, Emily. Thank you, Emily. It says furry and it's covered in fur. I love that. That is so cool. Great work. I love it. It's so soft. There we go. Thank you, Emily. I know who this one's from because I recognize the name. Hi, Bodhi. And he's done up a little sky on a Christmas present. How cute is that, guys? Look at it. Thank you, Bodhi. I will write back to you, all of you, as soon as I can. So thank you. To Sky, Merry Christmas. Love, Bodhi. EXO. This is from Celio. There's their Twitter one, which is Celio22. Celio22. And they've done me and Balto some art. Look at it. Thank you, Celio. Thank you for the cute art. Balto's going to be ecstatic to receive something. So I think that's going to make him really happy. Thank you so, so much. I'll be sure to write you back as soon as possible. Put that back in. All right, thank you to everybody who has written in today. And I will get back to you straight away. If you're still sending something, if something's still arriving and it's still on its way, it's okay. I will still open it in the PO Box video. But for the moment, that was this week in the workshop with T and Troublemaker. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you next week. Well, not next week, next fortnight. Bye-bye.